Mute buttons in Composer are essentially latched buttons, toggling on and off active and inactive states. However, a client or end user may request the use of a momentary style, physical button to toggle a mute. This can be programmed in Composer using some simple logic modules. First, drag in a one-button momentary module from the Control Inputs folder. Then drag in a flip-flop module from the Control Logics folder. Last, drag in a two-output remote control number module from the Control Outputs folder. Now, wire the modules accordingly and open each of them to see the module view. This example shows how this toggle would work on the unit analog outputs, but this can be done with any latched style button. Set the mute button up to remote control. In this case, remote control number 1. Then set both remote control triggers to the same remote control number as was assigned to the mute button. Next, set up the one-button momentary module on button to remote control using switch 1A. You may use any of the external control switch inputs. Logic programming is only functionally viewable when Composer is online, so we'll push and go online. Then test our logic programming. Every time the momentary button activates, it triggers the flip-flop module to toggle back and forth between Q and not Q, which in turn triggers the remote control numbers. Because the same remote control number is in both outputs, it effectively toggles the mute button off and on.